Hello children, welcome to Raval online classes. I am here to discuss with you the topic message writing. What is a message? A message is a very short piece of writing that conveys the conversation, often telephonic, between two persons. The message is required to be written to convey the information of the conversation to a third person. A message includes the following. First of all, we start writing a message with writing date and time. After writing date and time, we write down the salutation, then the body of the message, and at the end, we write the name of the person writing the message. Always remember, a message does not include the address. It is always put in a box, and the main points are brief and precise. Let me discuss with you the example given here. You are Rohan, you have received a telephone call from your friend Mohit that his father is holding interviews of freshers for a job vacancy, and the interview date is fixed for the 6th of March at his office in Warsaw. Leave a message for your sister who is an applicant for the job, informing her that she has to carry her biodata in 3 copies. Let us start writing the message. First of all, we'll write message. Then in the next line, we have written the time, the date. Then in the next line, the time is given to you. After that, salutation, the person to whom you are writing the message. My friend Mohit called up to inform that the job interview in his father's company is fixed for the 6th of this March in his Warsaw office. You are required to carry your biodata in 3 copies. Children, you have noticed that only the main points are given in the message and it is very precisely written. Secondly, we have put it in a box. And the third thing that we have discussed earlier, no address is given here. So, this is the format of message writing. Let us do some more. Now let us discuss an example here. Mr. Jayant called up. Hello. Monty picked up the phone and said, Hello, may I know who is calling? Mr. Jayant, I am Jayant from BHEL Delhi office. May I speak to Mr. Sharma? Monty, good morning uncle. Actually, Papa has gone out for some time. Is anything urgent? Can I take a message? Mr. Jayant, oh, could you tell him to call the CEO urgently? Also tell him to carry the file for the records of minutes of the last meeting. Monty, I will give him the message, uncle. Mr. Jayant, thanks, bye. Children, this is the telephonic conversation between Mr. Jayant and Monty. Now Monty has to write a message for his father. Let us start writing the message. First of all, make a box. A box is being made here. Then we'll start writing the message. First of all, in the first line, we'll write message. Then in the next line, I have written the date. And in the next line, I have given the time. After that, the salutation. As you all know, the message is being written to Papa. I have written Papa here. Mr. Jayant called up to tell that you have to call the CEO urgently. You also have to carry the file for the records of minutes of the last meeting. Okay, children, now the person who has written the message is Monty. So at the end, I have written the name of Monty, and in this way, I have ended up the message. All of you must have noticed that only the main points I have written in the message. This is the main point that you also have to remember, that a message must be written in a box. Only main points are to be given while writing a message. I hope all of you must have understood the format of message writing. Thank you and have a nice day.